Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Home menu. Let's begin. There are 6 sections. First section is Clipboard. Second section is Slides. Third section is Font. Fourth section is Paragraph. Fifth section is Drawing. And sixth section is Editing. Let's begin with first section, that is Clipboard. We can cut. Under Copy, we can copy or duplicate. Under Paste, we can paste using destination theme, keeping source formatting as picture, or keeping text only. Under Paste Special, we can paste as HTML format, formatted text RTF, unformatted text, picture PNG, picture enhanced media file, picture JPEG, picture GIF, picture Windows media file, device independent bitmap and bitmap. We can paste link and display as icon. Next option is Format Painter, which is used to copy formatting from one part of document to another part. Under Clipboard, we have Paste All and Clear All options. Additional options in Clipboard are Show Office Clipboard automatically, Show Office Clipboard when Ctrl and C pressed twice, Collect without showing Office Clipboard, Show Office Clipboard icon on taskbar, Show status near taskbar when copying. Next section is Slides. We can add new slides using different slide types. We can duplicate selected slides, add slides from outline, or reuse slides. We can add layout using different layouts. We can reset settings to default. Under Section, we can add section, rename section, remove all sections, collapse all or expand all sections. Next section is Font. We can set font size, increase font size, decrease font size, clear all formatting, bold, italic, underline, text shadow, strike through. Under Character Spacing, options available are very tight, normal, loose, very loose. More spacing opens. Character Spacing tab. We can add spacing with options, normal, expanded or condense, and spacing by points. We can set kerning for fonts in points and above. Under Change Case, options available are sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and toggle case. Set font color using theme colors, standard colors, more colors, or by eyedropper. Under More Font options, we can set Latin text font style, font size, font color, underline style, underline color. Under Effects, we have strike-through, double strike-through, superscript, subscript, small caps, all caps, equalize character height and we can set offset. Next section is Paragraph. We can add bullets, numbering, decrease list level, increase list level, align left, center, align right, justify. Under Add or Remove Columns, we have 1 column, 2 column, 3 column or more columns. We can add line spacing. Under Text Direction, options are horizontal, rotate all text 90 degree, rotate all text 270 degree, stacked or more options. Under Align Text, we have top, middle, bottom or more options. We can convert to Smart Art with options as all, list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, picture, and office.com. More paragraph options. Open Indents and Spacing tab. Under General section, we can set alignment as left, centered, right, justified or distributed. Under Indentation, we can add space before text. Under Special, we have option as None, first line and hanging indent. Under Spacing, we can set before spacing, after spacing, and line spacing. Next section is Drawing. We can add shapes like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, stars and banners, callouts, and action buttons. Next option is Arrange. Under Order Objects, options are Bring to front, send to back, bring forward and send backward. Under Group Objects, we can group, ungroup or regroup. Under Position Objects, we can align with options as Align Left, Align Center, Align Right, Align Top, Align Middle, Align Bottom, Distribute Horizontally, Distribute Vertically, Align to Side and Align Selected Objects. Under Rotate, we can rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal or use more rotation options. Also, we can display selection pane. Under Quick Styles, we can use theme styles, presets, and other theme fills. Under Shape Fills, we can use theme colors, standard colors, no fill, more fill colors, eyedropper, picture, gradient, and texture. Under Shape Outlines, we can use theme colors, standard colors, no outline, more outline colors, eyedropper, weight, dashes, and arrows. Under Shape Effects, we have presets, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, and 3D rotation. Under More Drawing option, we have Shape options and Text options. Under Shape options, first option is Fill and Line. Under Fill, options are No Fill, Solid Fill, Gradient Fill, Picture or Texture Fill, Pattern Fill or Slide Background Fill. Under Line, options are No Line, Solid Line or Gradient Line. Next option is Effects. Under Shadow, we can set presets, color, transparency, size, blur, angle and distance. Under Reflection, we can set presets, transparency, size, blur and distance. Under Glow, we can set presets, color, size and transparency. Under Soft Edges, we can set presets and size. Under 3D Format, we can set top bevel, bottom bevel, depth, contour, material and lighting. Under 3D rotation, we can set presets, X rotation, Y rotation, Z rotation and perspective. We can choose to keep text flat and set distance from ground. Next option is size and properties. Under size, we can set height, width, rotation, scale height and scale width. We can lock aspect ratio, relative to original picture size and best scale for slideshow. Also, we can set resolution. Under position, we can set horizontal position from top left corner or center. We can set vertical position from top left corner or center. Under text box, we can set vertical alignment. Text direction. We can choose not to auto-fit or shrink text on overflow or resize shape to fit text. We can set left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom margin. Also, we can wrap text in shape. We can add columns by providing number and spacing. Under all text, we can define title and set description. Next tab is text options. First option is text fill and outline. Under text fill, options are no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill or pattern fill. We can set color and transparency. Under text outline, options are no line, solid line or gradient line. Next option is text effects. Under shadow, we can set presets, color, transparency, size, blur, angle and distance. Under reflection, we can set presets, transparency, size, blur and distance. Under glow, we can set presets, color, size and transparency. Under soft edges, we can set presets and size. Under 3D format, we can set top bevel, bottom bevel, depth, contour, material and lighting. Under 3D rotation, we can set presets, X rotation, Y rotation, Z rotation and perspective. We can choose to keep text flat and set distance from ground. Next option is text box. Under text box, we can set vertical alignment. Text direction. We can choose not to auto-fit or shrink text on overflow or resize shape to fit text. We can set left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom margin. Also, we can wrap text in shape. We can add columns by providing number and spacing. Next section is editing. We can find text. Under replace, we can replace text and replace fonts. Under select, we can select all, select objects, and display selection pane. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.